Running your healthcare business takes a lot of focus on caring for your clientele, leaving limited time to devote to marketing strategies. This means there's rarely a good time to figure out which type of marketing can help bring more clients to your business. Fortunately, it's pretty easy to develop a good marketing strategy. Today's leading expert in healthcare services marketing is here to give you some great insight and put you well on your way to increasing your clientele.
The problem is that it's no longer enough for a healthcare professional or a healthcare practice to get on the first page of Google in order to get more patients. And the good news is that they don't have to do it all by themselves. There really are millions of people using the internet every day, and what's important is focusing on achieving the best reputation, grabbing as much attention as possible, and gaining more patients for their practice. Setting up a website and social media platforms is relatively easy, but healthcare professionals will find out pretty quickly that bringing new patients to their location is the biggest challenge. So how does a healthcare professional leverage the power of online marketing? Here are a few specific ideas. Number one, reputation is critical. Patients want to know that they are in good hands, and these days they will research you online to find out what type of reputation your practice has. Gather great reviews. There can never be too much praise. Another important thing is to reinforce your local proximity and how flexible your hours of operation are. Patients want to know that they have a healthcare professional that is available when needed and that they are close by. Our expertise is reputation marketing, and we focus on helping local healthcare professionals to expand their practices by building and promoting their great online reputation. Those who want to learn more can go to www.anotherwaymarketing.com, where they can access their free reputation report. Or they can simply call us at 360-888-8062. We're happy to help because we are committed to making our clients' businesses visible online so that they stay ahead of their competition.
And there you have it. An informed approach can make all the difference. And now you have some great insights to be able to market your business more effectively. Are you ready to take the next step and start getting more business? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Feel free to contact them if you're looking for more great online marketing strategies. Until next time.